This is the Quanny Air Dry Clay for Kids. It's meant for kids to age 3 and up. And opening it up, it comes with some instructions on how to make different colors, and it even gives you instructions on how to make each animal. It shows you all the different shapes you need to make and then how to add those together to create the different animals. It also comes with this small acrylic plate, some different plastic tools to help shape the animals, and then 14 individual packages of clay, one for each animal. Each one has a nice picture of the pet on the front, and then kind of inside of it there's a plastic container, and in here there are individual packages with different colors of clay to make that pet. And there are also those same instructions on the back of the paper here. Looks like these should be pretty simple and fun to make, so let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so opening one of these packets up, this feels pretty airy. It almost feels like foam. Very light, kind of bouncy. Doesn't really have much of a smell to it. Very easy to work with here. It's very soft and easy to form into different shapes. I did have a little bit of trouble trying to stick different sections together, but I found that if you get them wet, they will stick a lot better. And the colors mix all right, but they were a little bit tricky to blend them in. I was trying to make the sort of yellow cheeks, but in the end, I wasn't able to blend them very well, so I kind of just gave up on that. Alright, here we go. That's about the best I can do. Took me like maybe 10 minutes to put this thing together. It does have pretty easy to follow instructions, but it didn't quite turn out as nice as theirs, but overall it was pretty fun to make. And there is a pretty good amount of leftover material as well, and I believe if you stick these back into the little case they came in, and then pop the lid on like so, that should be an airtight seal, and then you can just store this and use it later. And I did wait a bit longer. It has been a full 24 hours now. Just wanted to see how well this stuff stayed usable if I put it in here. And yeah, I mean, it still is very pliable, feels just like it did when I first opened it up, so definitely works to just put it back in the container to save it for later. Also, it does say to leave these things for 2 to 4 hours once you finish them to let them air dry. All right, it has now been a few hours. This thing feels like it's pretty dried up. This thing feels very squishy. It almost feels like it's made out of a thick foam. And as I kind of mentioned as I was putting this together, I was a little concerned about these pieces sticking together, but now that it's all dried out, they do feel pretty well attached. Very happy with how this turned out. So yeah, overall pretty happy with how this turned out. It was a lot of fun to make. I like how they have instructions for each pet, but of course you can just get creative and make your own pets. I also think the color mixing guide is very helpful as well, and I do especially like how all of the different animals are sectioned off into their own container. Overall, very happy with this air dry clay kit. It was a lot of fun to play with.